Hello guys, good afternoon. Ayan, natapos namin i-wire guys, yung nag-live kami kaninang umaga. Ayan na guys, yung second wire namin guys. Ayan. Ayan dito sa likuran guys. Ayan. Itong bantigi na to guys ay galing pang Cebu. Ayan. Yung kanyang trunk guys. Ayan. Naka-expose yung roots niya. Thank you for watching guys.